Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18. In today's video, we will discuss about how to cancel bulk sales order or quotation. So you can just type into the sales module and here you can find different quotations as well as sale order, and sometimes you may need to cancel the quotations or sales order in a bulk. So you can select the quotations or sales order and just move on to the actions where you can find the cancel button, and you can just go with this button. So this would allow you to cancel the quotation. So some confirmed orders are selected and their related document might be affected by the cancellation. So if you want to just go with the cancellation, you can just hit into the cancel button and choose that, and here we go. We have successfully cancelled a few quotations and sale orders from our database. So that's all about the updates of the cancellation, and thank you for watching the video.